Here I have HUAWEI Ascend Mate, and today I'm going to show you how to wipe cache from this device. So to do this, firstly you have to turn your device off by holding down power key, and after it turns off completely, hold down combination of keys, power key. Just wait for it to turn off and then I'm gonna tell you what to hold. Okay, so now when it's completely turned off, you'll firstly have to get yourself a USB cable, micro USB, as you can see, connect it from one side to the computer and from the other side to your device. So what you do is you take device, you hold down volume up, you just hold it and connect USB cable. And just hold it until the screen turns on and you can see HUAWEI logo appeared. Now you can release volume keys and just keep waiting for it to enter recovery. So here in this menu you have to use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and you have to select an option wipe cache partition. And after you see the message cache wipe complete, you can select the first option reboot system now, and device will be restarted just as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.